Hi, Mr. Souvik. Very good morning.
Very good morning, chef.
Actually, where are you from?
I'm from Kolkata.
Okay.
Yeah, I did my graduation from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management during the year 2021.
Okay.
And after that, I went to abroad for working as a cook.
Okay.
And I had a past 2+ years in
Of
kitchen.
experience.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Where is your college, Guru Nanak?
It is in Calcutta, Shodhpur.
It's in Kolkata only.
Yeah, it's in
Okay, very
Kolkata
good.
only.
What do you specialize? What is your area of interest?
Yeah, my area of interest is continental and Mexican.
Oh, very good. Very good. In quantity, where you were pretty strong in sauce or making a grill
In
station?
saute. In saute station, yeah.
Very good. What made you, inspired to apply for a cruise line job?
Yeah, actually, I'm passionate to cooking and I want to explore the whole world while working.
Okay, very good, very good.
That's why I'm choosing cruise industry.
Okay.
And Sai Institution is a very well-known institution.
Yeah, we are a pretty reputed brand, and hope you are fine with the training as well. What all the subjects you are pretty now? My faculty members are
The faculties are very good over there. Right now, they are teaching about me USPH, crisis management, crowd management, then garbage segregation, then hand washing techniques.
Yeah, very good. See, in onboard, as you know, you worked in US also. You told me. Any chef, you cook, you wash.
Yeah.
In India, we chefs only cook. We don't wash equipments. So in US, the standards are really different.
Really different, very hard.
Very hard to work. Very tough to handle that pressure. So thanks for trusting us and thanks for being at this.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you.